What are stocks? Stocks, or shares in simple words, represent a share of ownership in a company. If a company has 100 shares of a common stock, it simply means 100 equal portions of the company. Companies sell shares to seek funds from investors. Sometimes the funds are raised for growing the business. For example, to buy a new machine or set up a new project. Sometimes shares are sold by the existing owners of the company who might be cashing out their initial investments in the company. The first time a company's shares are sold to the general public is called an initial public offering. Once investors buy shares through an initial public offering, they can trade those shares amongst the general public. This is called a secondary market for stocks. Investors buy stocks primarily for two reasons: to see the value of their share in the business increase and to receive a share in dividends paid by the company. However, there is no guarantee that the value of the shares will increase or that the investor will receive dividends. If the company underperforms, the value of the share can even go to zero. That is, the investors can lose their entire initial investment. However, investors cannot lose more than they invested. They cannot be forcibly called on to contribute more funds to the company. Hence, stocks are said to have unlimited upside, but limited downside. There are two types of stocks: preferred stocks and common stocks. Like the name suggests, preferred stocks get a priority claim over the company's profits in the form of dividends and over the company's assets in the event of liquidation. However, preferred stocks usually do not get voting rights in the company. On the other hand, common stocks, as the name suggests, do not have any priority rights, and they rank last in line for dividends or for a share of the assets in the event of a liquidation. However, common stocks have voting rights and can influence the strategic direction of the company. Common stocks are the more widely known type of stocks and are more prevalent amongst companies. Here's an interesting fun fact. One single share of Apple stock purchased on December 12, 1980, in Apple's initial public offering at $22 would be worth $28,000 today.